I am fascinated by quantum theory, the idea of these tiny little particles making up the universe and representing the field of infinite possibilities existing all at once. And as we focus our awareness, these tiny little particles collapse into physical, observable form. In other words, that's how we manifest our reality. With that said, I used Figma Make to design a little representation of this observer's effect. So what you can see here is a tiny field of particles, and the key function here is eye tracking. So if you start that, it's gonna ask you to allow a camera in your browser, and then it's gonna do the eye tracking calibration. And all you need to do is follow this little marker on the screen. You can skip the calibration, but I do not recommend that because eyes are very sensitive. It's pretty difficult to track them. So it's best if you go through this calibration process, and as soon as it's finished, you'll be able to observe the particles and focus your attention and see what comes up as soon as you place your focus. Oh, and this is just happening by following your eye movements. You look around, you focus, and see what's being created in real time. This is so exciting! And if your eyes, if the cursor is quite glittery, you can go up and click this settings button and adjust tracking system settings and see if that helps, or recalibrate eye tracking altogether and play around with it. There is another function which is mouse tracking, so you can try that as well. And that's way more stable and concentrated. So it's much easier to track it with mouse, but the eye tracking, oh my God, it's such a future. And you can also try this on mobile by tapping on the screen and tracking your eye movements. I hope you're gonna have as much fun playing around with it as I do.